Let's see how to upload file in Subdomain in Hostinger. So to upload file in Subdomain, log into your Hostinger Edge panel. Here you will see the hosting section. Click on Manage next to your web hosting. Now from the left menu, click on Domains, select Subdomains. Now scroll down and here you will see all the subdomains along with the path where we want to upload our file. So we are going to click on Files from here. Now click on File Manager. Now I will access the files of this particular domain. Now click on public_HTML. Now open your subdomain folder. Now to upload the file, click on Upload button from the top. Select File from here. Select the file that you want to upload and then click on Open. And as you can see that our file is now uploaded to Hostinger. If your file is a zip file, now right click on it. After that click on Extract from here. Now add a new folder. Click on Extract. Now open your folder. Open the Files folder. Select all the files from here by pressing Ctrl A from your keyboard. Now click on Move. Now as you can see that currently our path is our subdomain folder / new folder, then our website files folder. So we need to move these files to the main folder, which is our subdomain folder. So double click on this folder icon from here. Again double click on it. Now click on Move and all the files are moved to the main folder. So this is how you can upload file in Subdomain in Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.